Today's Professionals brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everyone, I'm here with the award-winning Basement Doctor. And I'm being serious about that.
Yeah, I guess so.
So last week we talked about an award you received recently from a group out of Connecticut. And today we're talking about an award you've received from an Omaha organization.
Yeah, it's kind of that award season for the contractors. They start to have their conventions at the end of the season and start to notify everybody as to how they've done for the year. Foundation Supportworks is primarily our structural division that is a supplier out of Omaha, Nebraska. And here again, it is the largest structural network in the North American continent. There's over, I want to say close to 150 to 175 in this network. And we ranked number 42 as far as your favorite product.
Yes.
Lifting houses that are sinking.
So let's talk about what they base this award on.
Well, and here it's going to be on, say, the quantity of houses or the amount of piers that you install. And just like we said last week, the Black Swamp is famous. And right now, literally this week as we're speaking, our phone is ringing off the hook with people whose houses are sinking because of the dry spell that we've gone through. And people are saying, you know, I was at a house last week that the crack had literally opened up an inch in the last 2 weeks. And it was that much active movement going on. And this is the product that we use to fix that the award represents.
Well, congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thanks, John, for being here. And thank you for being here. Have a great day.